Ready to start shopping on Wish? Let's learn how to log into the Wish app on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into Wish app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Wish app on your iPhone. Tap on the My Profile option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the email section, enter your email. Next, in the password section, type in your password. Finally, tap on the login button and log in to the Wish app. And this is how you can log into Wish app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.